You are back. 3 in the morning again. But something is different tonight. Last time we dismantled the illusion. We talked about the contract fallacy, the emotional alchemy, the frame reversal. You felt it. You commented bulletproof. You felt the shift in your chest. But now your body is fighting you. You cannot sleep. Your hands shake slightly. You have no appetite, or you are eating garbage at midnight. You feel castrated, not just emotionally, physiologically. Your testosterone is in the gutter. Your cortisol is spiked. Your dopamine receptors are fried from checking her social media. You do not need more therapy talk right now. You need a chemical reset. I coach men through this specific physiological destruction. I have watched hundreds rebuild their hormonal profile after betrayal. This is not generic self-help. This is the biological rebuild protocol. 5 specific habits that reset your chemistry, rebuild your testosterone, and restore the confidence that feels like it was stolen from you. If you skip even one of these, you stay in the cortisol loop. If you run all 5 for 30 days, you become chemically unrecognizable. Let us begin with the science. Habit 1, the morning cortisol hijack. Here's what betrayal does to your body. Your nervous system thinks you are being hunted. Cortisol spikes, testosterone plummets. This is not metaphor. This is measurable blood work. Most men try to fix this with coffee and rage. Wrong. You need to hijack your cortisol curve within 10 minutes of waking. Step 1, cold water. Not lukewarm, cold. 30 seconds minimum. Face under the faucet, or full cold shower if you have the capacity. This shocks your vagus nerve. It tells your body the threat is gone. I am in control now. Step 2, sunlight in your eyes. 10 minutes, no sunglasses, no windows, direct photons. This anchors your circadian rhythm. It tells your pineal gland to stop pumping stress hormones. Step 3, movement before consumption. 20 push-ups, 30 squats, something that makes blood flow before you touch a phone. Here is the part nobody tells you. Your phone is a cortisol device right now. Every notification is a potential threat signal to your traumatized nervous system. Do not touch it for the first hour. Hijack the morning, own the chemistry. Habit 2, the dopamine fast protocol. You are medicating with cheap dopamine, Instagram reels, pornography, video games until 3 a.m., alcohol on weeknights. This is keeping you weak. Betrayal creates a dopamine deficit. She was your primary source of validation, intimacy, and chemical reward. When that gets ripped away, your brain seeks the fastest replacement. You become a rat in a Skinner box, clicking for crumbs. The dopamine fast is not monk mode forever. It is a surgical removal of synthetic stimulation for 30 days. No pornography. This is non-negotiable. Every time you use digital sexuality to numb the pain, you tell your brain, I do not need to win in reality. I can simulate victory. You need that sexual energy transmuted. That is literal testosterone preservation. No alcohol. Alcohol spikes estrogen. It crashes your REM sleep. It makes you weepy at 2 in the morning. No mindless scrolling after 8 p.m. Blue light destroys melatonin. Poor sleep destroys testosterone. Here is the micro detail that matters. When you feel the urge to check her profiles, you do 10 burpees instead. You have to physically exhaust the urge. Your brain will hate you for 3 days. Then it will recalibrate. Then you will feel drive again. Real drive, not simulated. Habit 3, the competence feedback loop. Testosterone is not a personality trait. It's a response to winning. Right now, your brain has proof that you lost. You lost the relationship. You lost the investment. Your brain chemistry reflects that status. You need micro wins, not big goals, micro wins. Make your bed perfectly, shave with intention, cook a steak properly, fix one thing in your house that is broken, stack 10 micro wins before noon. Why does this rebuild testosterone? Because testosterone follows competence. It follows the belief, I can affect my environment. I am capable. Betrayal robs you of agency. You feel like things happen to you. Micro wins restore agency. Go deeper. Learn one hard skill, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, boxing, woodworking, something with resistance. You need to feel physical resistance and overcome it. This is primal. This is chemical. When you grapple with another man on a mat, your body remembers, I am dangerous. I am not a victim. Habit 4, the social reentry. You are isolating. You are driving to work in silence. You are eating alone. You are declining calls from your boys. This is killing you. Testosterone is socially regulated. It is calibrated by the male hierarchy. You need to be around men who do not know about your drama, men who treat you based on your present competence, not your past wound. Join a group, any group, a basketball league, a mastermind, a fighting gym. Do not talk about her. Do not process the betrayal there. Just be in male space. Here is the specific instruction. Make eye contact with other men. Firm handshake. Compete. Your nervous system reads these cues. I am accepted in the tribe. I am safe. I can lower my guard. When you feel socially safe, cortisol drops. When cortisol drops, testosterone rises. This is biology, not poetry. Habit 5, the physiological sigh before sleep. You are not sleeping, you are passing out from exhaustion, then waking up at 4 a.m. with intrusive thoughts. Sleep is when testosterone is synthesized. If you are not sleeping, you are not healing. You need to signal safety to your brain before bed. The physiological sigh is simple. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Make it audible. Ha. Do this 10 times. It manually overrides your sympathetic nervous system. Then, and this is crucial, you write 3 wins from the day, not gratitudes, wins. I did not text her. I trained legs. I made the sales call. This trains your brain to scan for wins instead of threats. Do this for 7 nights. Your sleep quality will double. Your morning testosterone will reflect it. The integration. These 5 habits are not separate. They are a stack. Morning cortisol hijack sets the chemical tone. Dopamine fast preserves your drive. Micro wins prove your competence. Male social contact regulates your safety. Sleep protocols rebuild your foundation. Run this for 30 days. On day 1, you will feel ridiculous taking a cold shower while heartbroken. On day 30, you will feel like a different species. You will walk differently. You will speak from your diaphragm again. You will look at your reflection and see the precursor, not the victim. Look at your hand right now. Make a fist. Feel that? That is capability. That is chemistry returning. Comment below which habit you are starting tomorrow. I want specifics, not I will try. Tell me, cold shower, BJJ class, no phone after 8. Accountability starts now. If you ran the 3 psychological shifts from the last video and you stack these 5 chemical habits, you are not recovering anymore. You are transcending. The next video in this series covers the abundance infrastructure, how to build the life that makes betrayal statistically impossible to repeat. Not because you control women, because you control your selection criteria and your options. YouTube thinks you want drama. You want evolution. Click the playlist, keep the protocol. Your chemistry is reset. Your future is loading. Do not pause. Do not go back to her social media. Go forward. Bulletproof.